Okay, there. Okay, we're going in. Alright, we're in. Oh goodness. Welcome to Billy's, welcome to Billy's. Welcome to Billy's Sin Eating ASMR. Did I already say that is my excuse. No. Oh, shame box. I fit right in. I fit right in. Shh, I'm not using my real. Shh, I'm not using my real name. Shh, I'm not using my real name. Start hugging me. She be weak. Why is there a random boat? Hey sir, why are you going that way? The volcano's this way. Fried chicken head. Let's go. Ah! Poopy head. Let's go up to the sky. This, I sound like I'm crazy because the music is playing in game, but like you can't hear it since you can only hear the mic. 2 minutes. Right, we're going up. Hey guys! Ooh. Oh, Mother 3! I love Mother 3. I mean, I like the songs from Mother 3, but I could never play the game because it's from Japan. Who else likes fictional characters so they dream about them, even though they don't exist? Nope. Yum! That is me 24/7, girl. Actually! Ah! That is 24/7, girl. That is me 24/7. Oh man, we're off sync. Okay, bye.